Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple and easy drink that is anti-inflammatory and also will boost your body system immunity. If you have not subscribed to this channel, I want you to click the subscribe button. Thank you so much. To make this simple lemon ginger drink, we're going to need about 6 to 7 lemons and a sizable ginger root. The consumption of ginger can lower blood pressure and also lower cholesterol. Ginger can regulate blood sugar and hence prevents diabetes. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Ginger is also known to help digestion and prevents nausea or vomiting. Lemon is a good source of the antioxidant vitamin C, which is essential to boost our immune system and also prevents diseases. The consumption of lemons can help to lower blood pressure. It also lowers the risk for stroke and it is anti-inflammatory. That is, lemons can prevent cancer. Lemons have also been known to aid weight loss. So after washing the ginger and the lemons, I'm going to start off by peeling the ginger. So I'm going to peel off the skin of the ginger, cut it into little chunks and then blend them. So to blend the ginger, I'm going to add some water and use that as a base to blend the remaining portion of the ginger. So it's thick and not too watery. And after blending, I'm using this special sieve which has a handle for rotating, so I don't have to use a spoon to press for the liquid to come out, for the juice to come out. So I'm using this special sieve. As you can see, it has this handle. As I rotate the handle, it presses the ginger and the juice flows out through the funnel and into the glass. So once I finish with the ginger, I put that aside and I start cutting the lemons into 2 parts, and I will use my citrus and juicer to juice my lemon and just pour it out into a container. So yeah, I've finished juicing the lemons and also finished blending the ginger. So I have my ginger in the tall glass and the lemon juice in the shorter glass. So to make this lemon ginger drink, I'm going to make a mixture of 1 part of ginger and 2 parts of lemon juice to make this drink. So I'm pouring it into this bottle so that I can shake it very well and have a good mixture. So now I just really need to shake it very well to mix both the ginger and the lemon properly, and it is ready for drinking. So my ginger lemon drink is ready. You can take this drink preferably first thing in the morning to cleanse your system and also help your digestive system before eating anything solid for the day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel and click the thumbs up button to like this video and share with your friends. See you next time in my next video. Bye.